Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing an affordable luxury handbag that was sent to me from Coee bags. Hey guys, this affordable Coco Chanel bag is beautiful and of high quality. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox it. Just come with me. Hey guys, this Coco Chanel holds shape and it is also very durable. It goes with almost every season clothes that you can ever think of. You can also use it as your everyday essential. After all, life is for the living. You guys already know. Can you guess the color that I picked? Hey, oh yeah, gone. Guys, the interior is actually crafted with two large compartments and it holds literally everything that you need. Don't forget to use my discount code chassis 13 for 13% discount. Yes, so it is a pink handbag. Oh yeah, it has a double leather handle, detachable, adjustable leather shoulder back strap, and as you can see, they actually come in variety of styles, colors, and sizes, so you can find the perfect one for you. The best part is they are much more affordable than the real thing. So if you're looking for a great way to get a designer bag or a designer look without breaking the bank, this replica handbag is the way to go. So Coee bags specialize in top quality replica handbags. You know I've got you covered. Go ahead and purchase yours today. Use my discount code chassis 13, like I said, for your 13% discount. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has got you covered. As you can see, I am loving it. I am so loving it. It changes the game. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Unveiling my luxury Chanel handbag. It is beautiful, guys. I highly recommend. So go ahead and pick up yours today and I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves, guys. Bye. Love you all. All right. Enjoy your bags.